Hi, hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, May the 7th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but in this newspaper there are also 6 or 5 extra Sudokus in additional, but I will first solve this regular Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. A1 in this column, A1 in the middle column, A1 in this column, A1 in the middle column, and the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then we have in this column 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of them are the numbers 9 and 5. So 9 and 5 cannot be in these 2 boxes. So the 9 and the 5 should be here. 9 and a 5. I see here already a 5. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 2 and the 3, I believe. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the middle column, only place for the 4 should be here. Then let me see. Yes, in this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in that box. Here also a 1, so no 1 in this box. Here 1, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left. For the 1 should be here. And then let me see. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. In this column, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In that column, we have a 3 over there. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. 1 place left for the 3 should be there. We have also in this big square 4 missing numbers. 2 of them are the numbers 9 and 5. I see here 9 and a 5. So no 9 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 and a 5 are in those 2 boxes. 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. That means the other 2 boxes are the numbers 8 and a 7. 8 and a 7. And look, we have an 8 there. So no 8 here. 8 should be there. And 5. Wait, no, 5 we have there. 8. 8 and a 2 are missing the numbers. The 8 and the 2. Not 8 and a 5, but 8 and a 2. Because the 9 and the 5 are there. The 8 and the 2 here. So 1 box left for the 2. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the first row. The numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 7 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be here. Then 2, 8, 2, 8, and 4. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 7. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 7, 8, 9. Alright, the 9 in this column, the 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of them are... Oh, no. Let me do this. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 1 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 7 and 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. So 4. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6. No 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. One of the missing number in this big square is a 4. I see here 4. No 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column, only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in the last column for the number 9. Then 2 boxes left. No. 5. Yes, 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 8, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1, here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 missing number in this row for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 5. 1 missing number in this row for the number 6. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then which number can I use? How about these 2 numbers in this column? The numbers are the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Yes, 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 9. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes for this Sudoku medium. Were we pleased? Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like, or if you want, hit that bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I will when there are new Sudokus online from me. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you the next time, probably tomorrow. Bye bye, and see you then.